I drop and ship in the US from Vietnam as a Canadian. And yeah, it's my first month that I will break the $3,000 profit. And yeah, I was pretty happy about that.
With $300 he spent, and this is his actual results, and this is February. So if you have
Yeah.
$300, you can expect to do as well as Oliver or better.
When I began, like I had no knowledge at all, like in e-commerce. So like I began start doing bulk listing and then learn about doing sniping. So I was learning the more I can about doing the eBay dropshipping.
What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk to Oliver, and we're going to talk about the fact that this is the first month that he's making or about to make $3,000 profit with one account drop shipping from Amazon to eBay. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been drop shipping on eBay since 2011, and it's my pleasure to have guys like Oliver who are drop shipping. And so he's currently managing multiple accounts, and on this account he sold $20,670 and 24 cents in the last 31 days. And for February so far, and today is what, the 16th of February, you've made, as you can see on the left of the screen, $2,800 profit. So sorry, Oliver, you want to introduce yourself before we get into your video?
Yo guys, it's Oliver. I'm doing dropshipping from Vietnam, and yeah, I'm French Canadian. I'm doing that full time. So
And you drop shipping in the US, so you drop shipping on eBay.com.
yeah, exactly. I drop and ship in the US from Vietnam as a Canadian. So
Okay.
and yeah, it's my first month that I will break the $3,000 profit. And yeah, I was pretty happy about that account, like really gained like as you can see a lot of revenues and stuff, and I have like good substitution and sniping that sells repeatedly like every like once in a while that give good profit.
Okay, so let's do this. Right, so you started in August.
So you can see like things, yeah, in my first month I still make like about 400 profit. I think that's pretty good on the first month. And yeah, that's like that was my like the worst. But you can see after that dip, like that's when they remove my restriction and I start having a better cash flow. And like yeah, I did pretty well to increase the account with with the cash flow I had. Like
Wow, so right. So guys, if you don't know Oliver's story, if you're new to the channel, I'll put a link to Oliver, the playlist with Oliver and a couple of the previous videos. Because if you are someone that has at least $300, Oliver started his eBay dropshipping journey with $300. He spent $97 on Ecom Sniper, and this is his actual results, and this is February. So if you have
yeah,
$300, you can expect to do as well as Oliver or better, because now you have Oliver to teach you some of the mistakes he made, what works, what doesn't work. And these are real results. This is February 16, 2026.
exactly. Like and I was living from that money, so like I can tell you like there I was down bad. But yeah, now it's getting better. And
So
yeah, if
what
we
was the difference? Did you do more product substitution at a specific time? Did you have cash flow? Did you know about product substitution? What's the combination of bulk listing and product substitution sniping? What's the story?
when I began, like I had no knowledge at all, like in e-commerce. So like I began start doing bulk listing and then learn about doing sniping and substitution. And I was just like watching all the content that I could like to get and like yeah. So I was learning the more I can about doing the eBay dropshipping. And yeah, I just got those results. Like I put all that
Oh,
time.
and those are the other accounts. So you have another
Yeah.
account that's at $496 for the month, and
Yeah,
January made 948.
yeah, that account is going also okay. Like there's no crazy result. And I have another account, I'll be like pretty honest. So they're not really profitable yet. And yeah, so I need to pour more time on that account.
Okay, but you actually managing three accounts and living full time off of this money. So congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And you can see yeah, I break like the 3,000. It's my first time like since I'm doing that normal digital work and yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. And yeah.
So guys, like the video, subscribe. If you want to learn from Oliver and know exactly what we're doing, look in his description. We have a number of free resources. We have a link to the community. Again, if you want any videos that you want us to do, let us know in the comment section. Like and subscribe for follow-up videos. Have a good one, guys. Anything you want to say before you go, Oliver?
See you guys, man, and don't hesitate to just begin start doing dropshipping. You don't need much.
Thanks, Oliver.